When dealing with large queries or some that return a large set of results, sometimes we do not want to return all of the data. We just want, for example, fetch couple of or first row just to see how the data looks like. Oracle has multiple ways on limiting the results. The first one we're gonna work with is the fetch. So let's go to our example. Again, I'm on my HR schema and I'm fetching from the employees table. In this example, I want to fetch only the first 5 rows. And that's it. Only 5 rows and omit all others. To limit the results, the keywords are as following. First, after any where or order by clause, or if there are no order by or where clauses, we write at the end of the query fetch first number of rows to be fetched, the keyword rows, and the only. Let's execute this. As we can see, we got only 5 rows returned. If we would omit that, we would get the complete set of data, right? We can also limit the returned rows by percentage. We do that as following. Again, the syntax stays almost the same. We just add first 5%. Let's execute this. As we can see, we got 6 rows returned from the query, which is the 5% of the total results. Nice. Important thing to have in mind and to remember for the exam are valid keywords. So for example, we can use first or next. This is now completely the same query, right? We got back again the same results. And another thing to remember that also keyword rows can be set as only row. Again, completely fine. Just not to mark those two keywords as syntax error if it's written as first or rows, row, or next, right? Also, when we are fetching exact number of rows, the number is optional. So for example, if I would be fetching 5 rows from our employees table, and I would omit the number 5, the query would return only 1 row. Again, to have in mind, this is a completely valid query. As I mentioned, we can also use the order by and where clauses. So for example, if I would like to order this query by last name, so order by last name, we will get one result back where the last name would start with A probably. Let's check it out. And as we can see, the last name able, and we got only 1 row returned. Very nice.